Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The Best Fake Dentist set is probably one of the most fascinating and engaging toys for children who are curious about the world of dentistry or simply love to play pretend. This video will take an in-depth look at what makes a great fake dentist set, exploring factors such as the quality of the materials, the realism of the design, the included accessories, and the overall value for money, helping you choose the perfect set for your child or for any other creative purposes. Number 5. Melissa and Doug's Super Smile Dentist Kit. It's a complete set for your little one to role-play as a dentist. It includes everything they need to give checkups and cleanings. This kit has 25 pieces, including pretend teeth, tools, and even braces. It's perfect for imaginative play. It's more than just fun, it's educational. It helps children learn about good dental hygiene in a fun, engaging way. With wiggly teeth and interchangeable tools, it keeps kids entertained and engaged for hours. They can even mark and clean pretend cavities. This kit can help ease children's fears about visiting the dentist. It lets them practice in a safe and fun environment. It's an ideal gift for preschoolers and young children. It encourages hands-on play and screen-free fun. What we like? It includes various dental tools for realistic role play. If you are looking for a comprehensive set to teach good dental hygiene, this is the one. It's perfect for engaging kids in screen-free play and easing their anxieties about dentist visits. What people say. This dentist kit sparks imaginative play like no other. My child loves playing dentist, using the included set of teeth and dental accessories to perform checkups and treatments on family and stuffed animal patients. It's a fantastic way to encourage creativity and role-play while also introducing them to the importance of dental hygiene. The attention to detail in this kit is impressive. The set of teeth looks remarkably realistic, complete with removable teeth and interchangeable dental pieces such as braces, retainers, and dental tools. Came with everything pictured, perfect for all ages. My daughter loved it and played with it for hours. The material was perfect. Cute and great quality toy. Kids have fun pretending to be dentist or patient. Doesn't take up a lot of space. Functional and fun. Number 4. Tomons Toy Doctor Kit. Get ready to explore this amazing doctor kit. It's packed with everything your young doctor needs for a fun-filled pretend play experience. This kit includes a real working stethoscope to listen to heartbeats and a squeezable blood pressure cuff. It even comes with a doctor's coat and a handy carrying bag. Made with child-safe, environmentally friendly materials, it has smooth edges and no sharp parts, ensuring worry-free playtime. It meets U.S. toy safety standards. The large carrying case makes it easy to keep everything organized and ready to go. Take it anywhere for endless playtime fun. It's more than just a toy, it's an educational tool that sparks creativity and imagination. It's the perfect gift for birthdays, holidays, or any special occasion. What we like? This set offers a wide variety of medical tools, including a real working stethoscope. If you want an interactive and engaging experience for your child, this is the best choice. It's great for imaginative play and developing hand-eye coordination. What people say. It has so many different components, even a mini 4-and-4 pole. She absolutely loves playing doctor and dentist. We have gotten other doctor kits for her, but this one has much more than any of the others we've seen, with more accessories as well as dentist supplies. This was definitely a bang for the buck. You not only get pieces for being a doctor but also a dentist, which I have never seen before. It comes with all the basics for both doctor-dentist and even a mouthpiece with teeth, along with all the tools the dentist uses to clean teeth. There was lots of good stuff in the kit. Very detailed. Even had some dentist items in there. My daughter opened this and didn't want to open any other presents after. It's by far her favorite. Number 3. Typodont Demonstration Denture Model. This model offers a realistic representation of human teeth, perfect for learning and demonstration. Its high-quality construction ensures durability and longevity. It's made from imported resin and metal, providing a lifelike feel and accurate anatomical detail. The flexible screws ensure easy adjustment. The jaw opens a full 180 degrees, allowing for complete examination. The stainless steel axis ensures smooth, reliable movement. This model is a 1:1 simulation of 28 teeth, making it ideal for practice. It's also easily cleaned with water or an ultrasonic cleaner. It's perfect for students, dentists, and educators. Use it for teaching, studying, patient communication, or lab work. The sturdy base keeps it steady during demonstrations and presentations. This ensures a secure and reliable learning experience. What we like. Made of high-quality resin and metal, it's highly realistic and easy to clean. If you need a durable and accurate model for studying or teaching, this is your best option. Its 180-degree opening makes it perfect for demonstrations. What people say. I used these mouth's teeth for a preschool activity and they withstood the activity without breaking. That says a lot. I use this model to demonstrate my oral product and it works well. It's definitely worth the price and great for practicing on. Number 2. Patelai Teeth Model. It's more than just a model, it's a tool to understand teeth. This set includes a realistic denture model and a toothbrush, perfect for learning. The denture model is conveniently sized at 8 by 6.5 by 5.8 centimeters, making it easy to handle. The lightweight toothbrush is also perfectly sized for small hands. This model is ideal for teaching children about the structure of teeth. It shows all 28 teeth, and you can even demonstrate how to brush properly. Whether you're a dentist or a parent, this model is a valuable tool for education. It's perfect for explaining oral hygiene and the importance of dental care. The model's movable parts allow for demonstrations of proper brushing techniques. The included toothbrush completes the learning experience, making it fun and engaging. The denture model and toothbrush work together seamlessly. This combination makes learning about oral hygiene simple and effective. What we like. This set offers great value with a denture model and toothbrush. If you're looking for an affordable and practical tool for teaching kids about dental hygiene, this is it. The combination is perfect for demonstrating proper brushing techniques. What people say. It helped them understand that they need to brush all sides of their teeth. And we keep it in the bathroom as a tool for good teeth brushing habits. Appears to be well made, good quality. It's fun for them and easy for us. Seems to be pretty sturdily made, as well. I like that it came with a toothbrush so I don't have to use a good one for teaching. Number 1. 69 Gold Grillz Rainbow Set. Check out these dazzling 69 gold Grillz, a rainbow-style set that's sure to turn heads. They're plated in 24K gold for a luxurious look and feel. These Grillz are plated in 24K gold, giving them a stunning, high-end finish. You'll feel confident and stylish wearing them. The vibrant rainbow design makes it a bold statement piece. It's perfect for expressing your unique style. This isn't just Grillz, it's a complete set. It comes with a convenient storage case and a microfiber cloth for easy cleaning and care. These Grillz are designed with men in mind, offering a comfortable and secure fit. Make a statement with these eye-catching Grillz. Make a statement with these eye-catching Grillz. They're the perfect accessory to elevate your look. What we like. This Grillz set is 24K gold plated and comes with a storage case and cleaning cloth. If you want to make a statement with a stylish accessory, this is the perfect choice. It's a complete set for a convenient and luxurious experience. What people say. They fit good and easy to mold to my teeth. They fit great. The silicone inserts that come with it are easy to mold to your mouth and teeth shop. Grill looks great and was easy to fit, great item. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.